IB schools cheat at the IB averages by encouraging the less able and the middle stream able students to stop doing the IB. So you get physics classes with only 2 students. That's when you know you've got an IB cheater class, an IB cheater school. Because if you take an average of the 30 students that want to do physics IB, you get a low number. Whereas if you get rid of 28 of them and only have 2 in your physics class, yes, those best 2 students will give you a higher IB average. So when somebody says, we got a high IB average, always ask, out of how many students was this average taken? How many students did the IB? And how many students come into the school in year 7? Then you can find out how many students were thrown away by the system in order to get their IB averages high. For international schools, that means money. Parents choose the school with the highest IB averages, thinking they're the best schools. Whereas most of the time, they're the worst. Unless your student is such a genius, there'll be in those 2 students that the average is taken from. And then, yeah, great, you got an IB teacher, and only 2 students in the class. But of course, most students will be thrown away.